We all love to learn everything about video editing, but there's one thing that we all ignore: audio. I mean, we love to spend time building your cuts, effects, color grading, but that's only 15%. The other half is sound. And that's why today I'm gonna show you some exciting tricks. Starting with trick 1, frequency ducking. Every time I add a sound effect, it either sounds too loud or it's too silent. It seems like there's no sweet spot. Well, here's the fix. Instead of making it louder, grab the razor tool in the toolbar and go to your speech clip. Then add cuts to your clip so it's about the same length as the sound effect. Now head over to the effects library and find the parametric equalizer. Once you have it, drag it to your speech clip. Next, go to the effect controls and in here, click on edit to open up the EQ. So in here, you can see the sound of your voice. On the left, you'll see the lows, in the middle, you'll see the mids, and on the right, you'll see the highs. With these bands, we can turn down specific frequencies of your voice or boost them up. Alright, now we don't have to do anything in here yet. Instead, go back to the effects library and drag another equalizer on the sound effect this time. Then head over to the effect controls and open up this EQ. Now this time, look at where the frequencies of the sound effect dominate. It's about right here, where you can see that the body of the sound lifts. Now we gotta remember this range a little. And now go back to the timeline and select the speech clip. And then go back to the effect controls again and open up the EQ. Now in here, we're going to turn down the frequencies in the range where our voice is that overlap with the body of the sound effect. Now you won't hear much happening to your voice, but by doing this, you will actually make space for your sound effect. Now you can go ahead and play around with the volume of your sound effect and you'll see that it's much easier to get a perfect mix. In the early 2010s, I was a Dutch Call of Duty YouTuber. Trick number 2, making it sound like your voice is coming from another room. So this is a video of me talking, and because I have my clip mic, one second. You guys are still hearing me now as if I was standing next to you. Let me show you how to fix that. All you need to do is find an EQ again, and once you have it, drag it to your clip. Now once it's opened up, enable the low pass band. Now when you're standing at the other side of the door, only the strong frequencies and low frequencies will come through. The high frequencies that form clarity don't. So what you want to do is cut away the high frequencies. That way, it will start to sound muffled. Keep going until it sounds real and fits your video. So this is a video of me talking, and because I have my clip mic, you guys are still hearing me now as if I was standing next to you. There you go. Now the next trick is a bonus trick. You know, the right track can change your edit from bad to amazing. That's why you should carefully choose your next music library. Once I found Melodie, I unsubscribed from the other ones. I had too much subscriptions anyway. Besides the high quality music, which I'll show you in a second, with Melodie Lifetime Pro, there's no monthly payment. It's just a one-time payment and you'll get lifetime access to Melodie Pro. Melodie Lifetime Pro includes unlimited music and you'll keep access to new music released. This is licensed for all digital content, videos, podcasts, streams, ads, and so much more. It's an incredible deal. No more subscriptions, never. The library has more than 25,000 curated songs and stems. The music is not generated by an AI, it's created by real human award-winning music producers. Now, Melodie uses AI, but only for helping us find the right song. In here you can describe what you need. For example, cinematic fight with a build-up. There you go. You can also paste a link from YouTube and the AI will find similar sounding tracks you can use. The fact that huge brands and creators use Melodie worldwide says a lot about them. For a limited time only, Melodie Lifetime Pro is available for a one-time payment of just $179, reduced from $799. Thank you, Melodie, so much for sponsoring this video. I'll leave you guys a link down below. Now it's time for trick number 4, zombies effect. I am a huge Call of Duty fan. I mean, before all this, in the early 2010s, I was a Dutch Call of Duty YouTuber. Anyway, we're getting off track. To create a zombie effect, you want to scream into your phone, like this. Then in Premiere, hold down Alt and duplicate your clip in the timeline. In the effects library, find the pitch shifter effect. Drag it to the duplicate. Now head over to the effect controls. In here, click on Edit to open up the pitch shifter. We're going to bring down the pitch by 5 semitones. That's gonna give it that low zombie voice. Very nice. Now go back to the timeline again and duplicate the clip. Now go back to the effect controls and open up the pitch shifter again. This time, turn it up by 5 semitones. This is gonna add that high-pitched scary sound. The next step is not necessary, but if you want, you can create another duplicate and animate the pitch shifter a little to make the sound rise from a lower to a higher pitch. Sounds awesome, right? Trick number 5. Making a song sound old to match your video. This is an old radio, but the song doesn't sound like it's coming out of it. I'll teach you how to do that. This is again something you can do with an EQ. I should have called this video EQ tricks. So once you have it applied, go into the preset menu and find old time radio. This already sounds cool, but I think that you should cut away more of the low end with the high pass band. Additionally, you can also boost band number 3. That makes it sound even older. There's also a free plugin called Vinyl that's actually meant for music producers, but works in Premiere as well. And this also makes your audio sound old. And I actually made a video about that plugin and other free plugins right here in this video. I made it just for you. You. There. You there.